Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Forex Fundamentals, and I'm your host Avi. Today I'll be discussing that what are the pros and cons of entering into the Forex market and why the 90% of the people are unsuccessful in this market. These are going to be very simple and basic steps and the basic mistakes what the people are doing. The main thing I'll be focusing on that how you can modify even for any field. I'm telling you that these are the generalized steps which will be implied on the any fields, because 90% of the people in this forex market are a failure. And what are the reasons behind it? Because it's a different market, it's a totally different market. Because any other business you will start, you will have to put in your the mechanism, the things, and whatever you're going to sell or the services you're going to sell, you have to invest in the form of something which you will be finding some infrastructure or all that stuff. You will be investing in that. But here in the forex market, it's all about money. Money comes and money flies. So the most of the people are a failure because of the few particular reasons which I'll discuss, so that you have to judge yourself and put yourself over there that okay, where I am lacking right now. First of all is that the expectation from this market is huge. Most of the time people think of it, they came, they are never clearly understood what they are entering in. Yes, the optimism is there, the hope is there, but most of the people don't know that what are the challenges of this market. Most of the cases in any business you feel that, but for any other business you do take some time. But for this business, most of the time, because it's just an online thing now, it was not just like the old days that you specially have to go to the office and they trained you and something, they give you some idea. But in this current scenario where it is everything is online, you just start open the account and start depositing and following the here and there few YouTube channels, and you think that you can make money. That's not the true case. That's not the true case. The basic principle is that you have to believe, which I always say in my other channel videos, that you have to believe what you are entering in. You are entering in some huge financial competition which you are entering in. And uh, the people, the smart people who are already there, they are already there to snatch your money, because it's a competition. it You are unable to see the competitor, because first of all, if you are buying the gold and I am selling the gold, we are competitor. So what you are competing with, you are competing with the big hedge funds and all that stuff. You don't, most of the people don't know that. They don't have the idea. They don't know the mechanism what they are getting into and how the money comes. They are far lacking behind the basic essence of the forex market, the commodities and all that stuff. Because you have to think that okay, somebody is buying and somebody is selling, so somebody is making the loss and you are making the profit, or either your loss is somebody's profit. The people really don't know that. And I'm telling you that this is this is not a very simple market where which you could earn or learn with the passage of time without putting money. Most of the people just think that okay, by practicing on the demo accounts and just following the YouTube and YouTube channels and stuff, we can make money. I'm telling you that one thing, on demo account you make millions and you make billions. It's of zero significance. In this market, it's zero significance. I'm telling you that. No matter how good you are at demo, you cannot learn anything and you cannot earn a single rupee. I can guarantee you that. I have seen people failing in the real trading and they have been huge success showing their portfolios in the demo all the time. But with the real money, they suck badly, because the real money, the demo is something fake, and you are trying to enjoy your success in the fake world. And that fake world makes your mindset overthink about yourself, overthink about your qualities. So you have to get over that. You have to get over that. because it is always a time taking time. In the forex market, if you want to learn and you want to earn, you need to give the time and the money. Just make sure that at least 1.5 and 2 years you have to invest money. That is the market fee which you are going to put in terms of learning. The worst part for the suggestion for those people who are making the mistakes again and again. Okay, there are many times which I have been through that I busted my account. It's a normal procedure. It's a normal procedure that account get washed in the starting and early days. But the biggest crime is that you keep on making the same mistake and kept on washing your account. That's not going to happen. Make sure that's not going to happen, because if you are keep on doing that same thing, then I'm telling you that this market is not for you. This market is not for you at all if you are washing your account with the same mistake again and again. There are not more than 7 to 8 mistakes which you can eradicate out of your system, and you can be a successful trader. But for that you need the time for 1.5 or 2 years at least, because after that you will be in a position to earn money. Okay, and most of the people, young people, what they do, what mistake they do, that they start doing this full time from the very beginning. That's a wrong ploy. That's a wrong ploy. You have to start doing it as a part time. Don't take it on your head. Don't take the pressure on your head that okay, from this I have to earn my livelihood. And no, keep doing some other jobs and start investing your spare time in it, and then keep on gradually increasing that time and increasing the effort. And once you attain that level, okay, yes, the things are moving now, then you start putting more money and more time investment. That's how you have to build a path for that. There's always a strategy. You always need a strategy. As a mentor in my free WhatsApp group on the other channel, that is the Forex Blasters, I always try to give these instructions all the time. But still the people are so stubborn that they are not willing to do. The worst part is that you have to get out of your comfort zone to be successful. For example, if I want to be successful in the YouTube, in the forex market, what I do, I make the video at 3 a.m. in the morning and I upload it. That is something I do. This is out of my comfort zone, but I'm doing it because I'm getting the results. I'm putting more effort. You have to leave your comfort zone. If your comfort zone is that okay, I can come and just I have 2 hours time, and in that 2 hours time I have to earn money, that's not going to happen. You have to wait till the prices reach your targets, your areas, your marked areas. Even if don't come, then don't come. Even if for the weeks it don't come, then you have to be patient enough, because this is a long-term game. Only the people with a long-term strategy in this market are successful. Not every Tom, Dick and Harry can be successful because they lack the strategy. And patience is something which you really have to learn, which you really have to earn in this market by bearing the losses, because you have to pay for these patience. You are paying the fees to the market. Those accounts which are washed, this is the fees which you are giving to this market. You have to be mentally very strong over it. Okay, for instance, if you have time, you are a student, you don't have anything else to do, yes, then the people say that okay, only work in that session, only work. No, give your time, give your best 100%. The more time you give, the more learning you get. It is not, the more time doesn't mean that okay, you have to be into trading all the time. That is not what I'm saying. That is, I'm totally against this. The more time means that okay, yes, this is my comfort zone, my friends time, my party time. No, I'll only party at the weekends when the market is off. You have to give this respect to the market. You have to give respect to this market, and you have to value your investment. Basically, if you don't value your investment, then you will not be a successful trader in this market. They are always the wrong mentors which the people are choosing to follow. They are very good at some theory and the verbal things and all that stuff, but theory doesn't make you a successful trader. All the ideas to be successful in this field and every field, they are written in the books. So you have to be part of the books. You have to earn knowledge through the books. You have to work on the areas. You have to find the areas, okay, which you are weak about. If you know that, okay, this is your weakness, this is your weak area, then make a journal of that. Okay, to improve that weak area, what effort I have done, what are the inputs I need to do in the future. You have to make a plan to overcome that weakness. There always needs to be a consistent learning about yourself, about the market, to be successful in this field. It is not just something that, okay, you are good at technicals, you're good at charts. No, there is a huge chemistry about yourself. You have to learn about yourself first, that what your weak areas are, what is lacking in you. Then you have to robotically work on that. You have to be robot. Once you become a robot, for that you need to practice, control your emotions, get your patience on. Don't start shouting, don't start yelling, and don't start cursing yourself, don't start cursing the market. You have to understand that, okay, there will be the days when you lose some, and there will be the days when you gain something. But on the cursing days, you have to understand that, okay, this is where the market proved me wrong. But whether this is something to do with the market, or whether it's something to do with your own self, with your own mistakes, you always have to analyze that. You always have to analyze that. Once you start analyzing that, you will keep growing as a person, you keep growing as a trader. And the more thing is that, okay, there's somebody told me that, okay, to earn first $1,000, you have to have 90 trades initially, and 70 or 80 of them will be in the loss. But what happens, that most of the people quit after the 30-40 trades, and they are unable to do that. But after that 1,000, you have to earn, just to earn the $5,000, you just need 30 more trades. After that, the 10,000, to earn the $10,000, you just need 20 more trades. But most of the people, they quit at the initial 30 losses, and they quit the market. You will always be a loser when you quit the market. If you stick to the market, keep churning yourself, keep pushing yourself, keep getting something out of this market, then you will be successful. I'm telling you that. I have never seen somebody stick into this market for years and years and hasn't been successful. I have never seen such persons. Yes, there are fools around. There are always the fool around, which the people may think, okay, these are the fools and we have to get them money. Avoid the account managers. Avoid account managers. The thing is that the account managers come into the play when you stop believing yourself. You have a total disbelief. Okay, if you have a disbelief that you are not fit for this market, just leave the market. But rather than the ability, trusting the ability of those people who even don't have their own portfolio, don't trust them. Don't trust them. I'm telling you that. Because if they are not able to do well with their own money, how could they produce good results with your money? So these are the things which you have to avoid. Okay, that is something episode 1, and I'll continue with these kind of videos in the longer term on this channel. So keep liking and keep commenting on the channel so that you can get the daily updates. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much.